Say cheese. Go on then. Let's go into Peppa Pig World. Let's do it. Wow, look at the barriers. Is that Grandpa Pig? Very cool. And the balloon ride. Let's go on the balloon ride. There is no queue. Peppa Pig's big balloon ride. Let's go get on the balloon ride. Quickly. Let's do 2 more baskets, 3 more baskets. It's a walk-on.
Yeah, alright. I'll open the door for you in a second.
Peppa's big balloon ride. Here we go. Up, into the sky. Lovely.
Does it go really high?
It goes super high. Wow. Such a lovely sunny day.
It is.
Summer holidays at Peppa Pig World.
Indeed.
I can see Peppa's house. I can see the Grandpa Pig's train ride.
I can see the helicopter.
Yeah.
Is it a train from here?
How much?
I can see. Is it
What's the barriers?
Grandpa
Barriers
Pig's
we go
boat
in?
ride from here as well? That's cool. So you can see everything from here. I can see the Windy Castle ride.
These are all seated.
These are
Watch
new
the barriers
seated
go down.
to keep your arms
Going
and
down.
legs inside the balloon at all times.
Stop. Watch the barriers are going down. Mark, look.
Please.
Oh yeah, is that? Yeah. Where are we going next?
It's a splash pad.
It does always smell like garlic bread.
bread here,
Yeah,
right?
why? What are they doing here? Because there's actually not a restaurant there. I think they're just making it.
It comes out that far.
Yeah. It smells lovely. Oh, look at Grandpa Pig asleep on his boat.
That's a seat.
Yes.
A rubber bit of a seat.
Whoa. Here we go. On Grandpa Rabbit's. Lost it again. Been on here enough, can't remember the name.
It's too hot to remember. This is like
Grandpa Rabbit Sailing Club, there we go.
it's an extremely hot day.
Whoa, look. It's Peppa. It's Daddy Pig. Hey, Zacky Pig. Look, George has got a knight's outfit on, it's very cool. And can we see the cookies? Can we see the cookies? Oh, trying to. There's a tray of cookies there. Never quite get to see them. How's the Queen today? Is she jumping?
What is it?
No. Whoa, where's Peppa? It's Peppa and the Queen. Look, Zack, they're jumping in muddy puddles. Lovely. What was that? Look, now we're going to go into a tunnel. Oh, there's a car above us. The coach ride. It's gone above us, isn't it? Left the station.
There's a 50. What would you throw a 50p in?
Wow.
Water. Not 50p.
Someone's making a wish. It's Mr. Ball, and he's digging up the road.
There's only little.
It's a wonderful day here in Peppa Pig World.
It's great summer holiday weather, isn't it? Lovely stuff. What is that? Look. Who can you see?
I can see.
I can see Peppa. I can see George. Oh, I'm spinning.
And Richard Rabbit.
Richard Rabbit. I can see Zoe Zebra.
Rebecca Rabbit.
I can see
Rebecca Rabbit.
Yeah, Richard Rabbit and Rebecca.
Oh, okay. Both there. Both the rabbits.
Emily Elephant.
Emily the elephant.
Emily the elephant. Who's the Clever Clogs one? Is that Edmund?
Edmund.
Where's Edmund? Edmund
Edmund's not
elephant.
there. Susie Sheep's there.
Oh, sorry.
Danny
I think
Dog's there.
Ah,
Pedro, I think that might be Pedro Pony.
yeah.
And Candy Cat. And that's it. Where's
Danny
this girl?
Dog. Danny
Candy
Dog.
Cat.
Candy Cat. I've never seen Candy Cat before.
And Zoe Zebra. And then
Zoe Zebra.
Grandma Pig.
Oh, there's that.
There.
Lovely.
My name is Peppa Pig.
Oh, God, I got my back there.
How old too?
Peppa Pig.
Zach, can I have your bottle?
They need to put Evie in there, don't they?
Yeah.
You could hold
I haven't
her,
seen Evie around here anyway.
Evie Pig. Well, I bet they got them in the shop.
Evie. Evie.
What did you say?
We're going to crash. We're going to crash. Oh, that was a good crash. Hold on tight. Who's this one then? Who's that one? What was that? Should we go and look at the giraffe? Gerald? So, let's stand by Mr. Potato, look. Wow, who's that? That's it, lovely. Very cool. Alright then, let's walk in. What's that thing? Go, Zack, go on. Zack, you can get under that. We'll go there. No, Zack, go and do it now before it stops. No? Wait. You're sitting on it now.
Touched it, don't stop. Yeah, you go on.
Well, you're welcome to hold it, look. Oh, look at him walking through it.
That is good. It's like pulling you down.
Mr. Potato's playground.
No, but you children on
No.
there. No, children and adults.
Right, you're going to say bye to Mr. Potato? Go on, go and give him a hug. Bye, Mr. Potato.
No, we do use tractors.
Yeah, we do. Lovely.
Wait, I can get my camera up.
Whoa. Zacky!
Banana split, and I got
I
bubble
remember having these in
Florida. Typhoon Lagoon.
Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah, that's where we had them.
What are they called here?
Mini melts.
Mini
They
melts,
come in
so-
like a little hat.
The balls of ice cream.
Little balls of ice cream
Do you get a spoon?
and a spoon.
Sweet. Gonna want to bring your swim stuff, aren't you? Because they got two splash pads. They got the splash pad in Peppa Pig World, and then they've got the
Bigger
what's it
one.
called? Splash
It's called Water Kingdom.
Water Kingdom. That's near the Lost Kingdom dinosaur area.
Yeah. This one's quite big. You've got toilets very close by, so you can get changed in the toilets.
Okay.
And there's some tables sat around the outside. But yeah, really.
When I'm 10 years old.
Dinosaur Tour Company.
You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Did you see that pair of coelophysis we just passed? They're real predatory dinosaurs with blade-like, finely serrated teeth. Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounded mighty close. Look over to the right, folks. That's the awesome Splash Lagoon. That Dilophosaurus on the left is looking pretty angry. Watch out! Don't forget to take a trip on our boat safari where you can see more amazing dinos like that impressive Brachiosaurus over there. I think we'll have to leave it there until that cheeky little Compsognathus decides to hop off the bonnet. Iguanodon
Not my
literally
dino.
means iguanatine.
Not my dino.
That's Jacko, our security guy. He takes pics of everyone, then plants them on the wall in outpost 12 for all to see. Look to the left. In that recess, there's some eggs. Wow! Look, guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Cute little fella, isn't he? Check him out.
Oh! Did you get wet, Zack?
Wasn't expecting that. That's one more.
It's alright, isn't it?
Ahead is a
God, you could be in Florida in this
Megalosaurus. He
weather.
originally lived right here in England
Really
about
lovely hot day.
166 million years ago. He's about 6 metres long. So even those fellas to the left are ornithomimus. They don't look too happy with us
Where on
being
the
here.
left?
These bird-like dinos are mighty fast. But
Oh, there
don't
we go,
worry,
Zack.
they're
The
not
dinosaur
meat-eaters,
tour
so
company.
we should be fine.
Look at it in here, Zack. Come on, this way. Oh, I like it in here.
Nice, lovely music.
Right. Where are we going to go now? Come this way. What happened there? What happened there? Come on in. Massive leaves. Does that make a noise? Oh, it don't, does it? The owl walk. It's pretty through here, isn't it?
Very pretty.
Lovely.
All these lovely flowers.
And owls.
And owls. This is called alligator.
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 It's quite creepy, isn't it?
Explorer owl.
The grand owl. The grand owl. There's fish in the pond. I like the fountain.
There's only one fish. Oh, there are 2 fish. Okay.
Wow. 3 fish. Right.
That's it.
Ready?
Thank you very much.
Big fish, do you love it?
Yeah.
Well, this is a great walk through here.
Oh, it's like a little forest through here, a little jungle.
Let's go. Nice little pond.
Down over here, look.
And another waterfall over there.
We're in here. Made it.
I remember coming through here on Halloween.
Remember through here at Halloween?
Yeah.
That way then.
Dead end.
This way.
Yeah, good being walking to home.
This way.
Yeah, shot from there. Whoa, wait for me, Zack.